Okay, one of our local TV stations is broadcasting a Star Trek episode every day, but that is not what this is about. The Zippo truck stopped by a couple days ago and dropped off a few new items. Let's take a look at what one of the things he brought. Now this came in the regular normal Zippo black box, and the label on this one says Ace Filigree. Nothing special about the box. It was made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And this one is on a high polish chrome finish. And it's got a really nice Ace design. It's got a lot of small engravings on that, whatever kind of surface that is. I'm not really sure what it is. It's got kind of a gold color to it. Got a pretty good sound. Fires up nice. And this one was made in I of 14. So that's going to go in my Ace collection. Right over here I have a few of my Aces. Yeah, right there. Aces are one of the things that Zippo does pretty good. And there's a few of them. And I think we'll give them a few rings of the old cowbell. Knuckle bump.